And so if you are a bus rider heading home at the end of the day, listen to your teachers. They will tell you which lines to go to. But the lines that you will go to for those of you that go to Kids Club, and you guys will be lining up over on the far side closer to the gym. Everybody else who's taking a bus home, you'll line up on this side. And as you can see, there are dots on the ground. The important things about these dots is they are 6 feet apart, and this is how far apart you need to stay. And so as you're walking out, you need to pay a little bit of attention to the person in front of you so you can maintain that 6 feet of distance. And especially once we get to where we're going to be stopping, because if we're walking and you are not paying attention and the person in front of you stops and you go too far, then that creates some issues. So pay attention so you can stop, and we can stop on these dots and make sure we maintain 6 feet social distancing as we're waiting for the bus. Teachers out here calling you up, a couple students at a time, walking you to your bus and the bus that you get on. So make sure you are just staying on the dots, paying attention and listening to the teachers so that you know when and where to go, and we can get you on the correct bus to get you home. Okay, so now we're going to be talking about pickup. And so after school is done and you are going to be picked up out here in the main parking lot by your parent, you are going to follow your teacher to the doors and follow your teacher's instructions, and you will come out the doors and you will follow these red lines as they go. Your teacher will tell you where to stop and how far to go, and then your teacher also might, as more classes come out, might tell you to move down. As you're standing on these red lines, maintaining the physical distancing, please be sure to be watching for your mom or dad or the person picking you up in their vehicle. And when you see them coming through the parking lot, raise your hand so you can let your teacher know that someone is here to pick you up. Your teacher will then will help escort you to the car and wave at you so that we know that you have been picked up by the person who is supposed to be picking you up. We will be classes will be coming out at staggered times, starting with kindergarten and then first grade and then second grade and then so on, but at different times, so there are not too many people out here all at once. But the important thing is, as you're out here, listen to your teacher, watch for the vehicle of the person picking you up, and be aware of what's going on around you and your physical distancing while keeping your mask on even though we're outside, and maintaining our safety protocols. So just want to say we're very excited to have each and every one of you coming back to school with us. But just a reminder, safety is of the utmost importance to us. So we're going to make sure that we are following the safety protocols of wearing a mask, hand sanitizing, washing your hands consistently and often, as well as maintaining that physical distancing of 6 feet so that we can continue to have you guys coming to school and seeing your teachers and being ready to learn.